you with whatever you need help with. But one of the things Rachel asked for was, could you schedule Google My Business posts somewhere? Okay. So, yes, there is a social media management tool that does that. It is called OneUp. Okay. So OneUp is the only platform to date, on this date right now, oneupapp.io, where it can post to 3 social accounts, 150 scheduled posts per month for $12 per month on the starter pack. And over there, you can see it does Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business. Now, we know that using a third-party scheduling tool can slow down Facebook and Instagram. However, there's no data or nothing that I know that that would slow it from being scheduled to Google My Business. So if it is affordable in your world to pay $12 a month just to be able to have the Google My Business and possibly the LinkedIn, then you could do, for $12 a month, you could use that. You could use the OneUp app and you could pre-schedule the Google My Business ones. However, I want to show you something. Stop sharing screen.
Chantal,
have you got an affiliate link for that?
Mr. here says, what's Google My Business? Mr. IT and telecommunications.
Yeah, I know. IT people are the best. I actually had an IT company this week contact me and ask me to train their whole team because they do social media management and none of them are getting results because they don't know what they're doing. And they asked me if I could teach their team and then didn't want to pay the $4,500 to get the training. And they're still advertising online as a social media marketing company. All right. So yes, you can. You pay $12 a month and do it. But it is just this easy, okay? I've downloaded all the Google apps on my phone. I call them Googly Goo. There they are. And over there, you can see Google My Business. So all you have to do is push Google My Business. And once you've logged in, all you've got to do is push the post sign down at the bottom. And all you've got to do is add an event, add an offer, add a product, add a photo, exactly as if you were doing a post. Exactly as if you were doing a post on Google My Business. So if you did a Facebook post and you thought it was relevant, or even those of you who've got events. So anyone who's got an event right now, Jane, Ingrid, Sashwa, Sam, I'm not sure how your events are going with COVID at the moment. But if you've got any events right now, you should be setting them in Google My Business because Google My Business will show them up until they finish. So when I create them on Facebook, I go into Google My Business, I sit on my phone and all I do is use my finger because you just have to go copy, paste. Save image, upload image on your phone. So is it worth $12 a month? I don't know because seriously, I'll just do it on my phone. I just do everything in Facebook first using Creator Studio and then just go into my phone and put the relevant stuff into Google My Business. It's up to you. You can go in as well and look at all your insights. Oh, this is actually the wrong account, but anyway, you can actually go in and have a look at all your insights as well on the phone. You can view your report. You can view your reports as well. This is actually from my old fitness business. So this isn't my actual business. I've logged into the wrong one, but there it is. So you can go in, you can even get your reports on your phone. It's that easy. That easy to do. So that is OneUp app scheduling tool for Google My Business and LinkedIn, because I still think you should use Creator Studio in Facebook for Facebook and Instagram.